Now that we've amortized our liability, we'll discuss how to amortize our asset. This is where GAAP and IFRS diverge, and frankly, things get a bit weird. Just to reiterate, the rules are the same for a finance lease under GAAP and IFRS. Where things change is that GAAP still allows for an operating lease classification, albeit a new version. And under GAAP, the amortization of an asset is different for an operating lease compared to a finance lease. We'll start with a finance lease, which is straightforward. The asset is amortized using the straight line method. The math on that is pretty darn simple. Just divide the beginning balance by the number of periods. Here's the amortization table for our example. You may recall the beginning balance we calculated for our asset, which is shown here. Our lease example is 7 years, but as you'll recall, the new rules don't take effect until year 3, so we have 5 years remaining, which is 60 periods. The beginning balance divided by 60 period equals what you see in the next column here, 211,299. That amount is deducted from the beginning balance to get the ending balance, which then becomes the beginning balance in the next period. Our year-end balance is shown here. Now let's refer back to our summary, but first remember this year-end number, 10,142,346. Here's the finance lease summary, and here's our year-end asset balance in 2019, 10,142,346. Now in previous calculations, I would normally show you the operating lease as well because it was the same number, but not in this case. The asset amortization is different for an operating lease. So let's take a look at that.